Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add footnotes in a Google Docs. Very easy. So once you have your Google Docs open, come here at the top. Okay, I want you to click on Insert and then come here, click on Footnote. Now if you don't see this top menu, it's probably because you are in full screen. All you need to do, guys, is press the Escape button on your keyboard and these options appear, right? So come here, click on Insert. And then I want you to go ahead and click on Footnote. Now the shortcut is Control Alt plus F. That is the shortcut. But if I click on Footnote right here, you'll see we have footnotes coming up. And you can easily go ahead and add your footnotes. So whatever references you had, whatever citations you wanted to add, you can easily go ahead and do that in your footnotes. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple.